The LG electric freestanding range has an interesting array of options at $1249, and the important ones do work. In this video, you'll learn all these best features, including reliability based on real service calls, along with the features that aren't quite as good. The LG looks like your average freestanding range. It has 5 burners, plus 1 expandable burner for larger pots. However, the range does have unique features. The door is their new InstaView. Tap it twice to see into the oven. This feature is especially popular currently on their refrigerators. More practically, the oven is huge at 6.3 cubic feet, which is the largest in this price range. Their smart functionality is evolving past turning the range on or off and seeing the time remaining. With the cooking app partners Side Chef, Tavala, and In It, you can program the recipe into the range and have step-by-step instructions in the app. Lastly, LG is the most reliable brand sold at Yale. Electric ranges are no exception, being serviced only 3.5% of the time in the first year, less than half the 8.5% average for electric ranges as a category. We've never been able to air fry with any range from any brand. The cavities are much larger than portable air fryers, so it's hard to generate that airflow. These modes are included in all brands. Just don't buy any current range with the idea that you're making the kids healthy French fries anytime soon. Yes, you should consider this range. Sure, some of the modes don't work, but as we said, the important ones do. You have the largest oven size and the best reliability, along with evolving smart technology. Click the link to download our free electric cooking buying guide. Unfortunately, we all know someone who's been talked into buying the wrong appliance. Don't let that happen to you. Almost 1 million people have found the right answers in the Yale guide. Thanks for watching.